another source of frequency. To do that, we will press mode and then jump to DRV07. Now let's select V1 and press escape to come out to the main screen. Here I have potentiometer for this job. We see in the schematic, which is showing connection of potentiometer, the first and the last terminal of potentiometer will be voltage supply and 0 volt. This connection is usually with most of the potentiometer, and the terminal at the middle will give approximately 0 to 10 volt DC output voltage. I mention approximately because the supply is 12 volt, so at full stage the output will be little higher than 10 volt DC. Now here potentiometer is at 0. I will increase it just about middle, and you can see it's reflecting on the main screen. Now let's make it forward operation. Now it's ramping slowly to the set frequency, and I can increase it whatever value I like. If I want, I can make it full, or even make it back to 0.